friends, all the dance lovers. She is Lahari and she is Unnati. And while teaching them this particular movement, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, this girl has done a beautiful mistake, and I would like to share it with all the dance lovers. And here the beauty is, now the teacher is also going to practice along with the students this beautiful mistake done by her. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Want to see the Oscar?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You want to see the Oscar?
Yes,
Okay. Open. వాళ్ళకి ఒక థ్రిల్.
మధ్యలో చూపి అలా లాగంటే ఒకళ్ళు తీయండి, ఇద్దరు కాదు, ఇద్దరు చేతులు పెట్టవు కదా.
ఆస్కార్ని బయటికి లాగడానికి ఎంత అవస్థ. జాగ్రత్త, కింద పడేయద్దు.
Very heavy, ma'am. Lightweight like కనిపిస్తుంది and very heavy.
అలాగా?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice.
Yes, ma'am.
You are happy?
Yes, ma'am.
Now keep it back. Okay. Close it.